Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Hill markers end right here. Where's that coming from?
Hey, there you are.
Where did you come from?
I come from Radiator Springs.
I should have told the truth. I made my friends doubt one another. Huh?
Mayor, let's go! You're on!
My friend Guido, he dreamed to give a real race car a pit stop.
Pit stop?
A run for it?
No, no. He ran out of asphalt in the middle of the night. Asked me if he could come down here.
She's as crazy as Mater.
Those two are perfect for each other.
Now, there's one thing.
Hey! What? What's going on? That's what I got.
I can, I promise.
Season points lead, heading into the final race of the season. And the winner of this race, Darryl, will win the season.
Ain't seen you that low in years.
I haven't seen a road like this in years.
Well then.
Proud. Thank you, King. Well, Tex, you've been good to me all these years. It's the least I could do.
But you can be smarter than him.
Okay, what do I do?
I said,
Man, I can't wait to get rocking. This is gonna be wicked.
Yeah.
And what's gonna happen to all of us if Flo leaves town and closes her station?
Now, gas is gonna go.
What? So don't...
You didn't know you had.
Yo, I've never been off-road.
Well, that's gonna change right now. Hello.
Tom Bay was doing 20 to life in a Moroccan impound the first time I saved him, if I recall correctly.
Esto hay que ir recto. Ya hoy suficiente. Y fuera.
I'll take care of this. Dragon style!
Spinning dragon attack.
What's going on, ladies? All right now, let's have us a little look.
Nice to meet you too.
And you're feeling
feeling lonely, lost and let down.
Who'll be jamming now? Hey DJ, lay down some beats, man.
Thank you, Mel. It is very, very good to be here. Now listen to me. Big oil. It costs a fortune. Pollution is getting worse.
Mama! Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will beat it.
Oh, Stanley. I wish you could see this.
This is going nowhere fast. We really should go, Grandmother.
One moment. I'd like to see where this is going.
Come on!
What's the hurry, Rosie?
I don't want to bump into Thomas.
How does it feel to be Jackson Stewart? Take Stewart. This way.
It was great.
Wait, excuse me.
It's true you've been in rehab.
Did you have a nervous breakdown, McQueen?
I'm sorry, what?
McQueen's wearing white wall.
Thanks, guys. En route.
Trooper responding. Where's Mater? Right back. Put it in reverse, pal. Make room for Mater.
Well, sure you can, Mac. Look, it'll be easy. I'll stay up with you.
All night?
All night.
Let's go. I'd like you to meet...
Signorina Sally. It is official. Lightning McQueen is the... Fight over everything. They fight over what Ferrari was the best Ferrari.